you show like the sun. Shine all your crazy time. Now there's nothing in your eyes. So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail, a smile from a veil? Do you think you can tell? Do you think you see the train? Your heroes for ghosts. How you fly, smiles you give and tears you cry. All you touch and all you see is all your life will ever be. Run, rabbit, run, dig the hole, forget the sun. When more pain, you're okay. Money, it's a gas. Got that cash with both hands and make a stash. New car, caviar, 4-star daydream. Think about me, a football team. It's not what we would choose to do. Is on the grass, remembering games and daisy chains and laughs. Got to keep the loonies on the path. The lunatic is in the hall. The lunatic is in my heart. The paper holds their folded faces to the floor. And every day the paper boy brings more. And if the dam breaks over, I see you on the dark side. And all that you touch, and all that you see, all that you taste, and all you feel, and all that you love, and all that you hate, all you distrust, all you say, and all that you give, and all that you deal, and all that you buy, beg, borrow, steal, and all you create, and all you destroy, and all that you do, and all you say, and all that you need, and everyone you need, and all that you slight, and everyone you fight, and all that is now, and all that is gone, and all that's to come, and everything under the sun is with you, but the sun is a good spot for me. To you, baby, and the sky may look blue. Ooh, babe. Ooh, baby blue. If you should go skating on the thin ice of modern life, dragging behind you the silent reproach to a million tear-stained eyes, well, don't be surprised if a crack in the ice appears under your feet. You slip out of your depths and out of your mind, with your fear flowing out behind you as you crawl to thin ice. Disrespect, not the brick in the wall.
Mother, do you think they'll like this song? Mother, do you think they'll try to break my balls?
Yeah.
Mother, should I trust the government?
No!
Best response yet, people. Mother, will they put me in the firing line? Is it just a waste of time? Hush now, baby, baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna make all of your nightmares come true. And Mama's gonna put all of her fears into you. Mama's gonna take you up under her wing. She won't let you fly, but she might let you sing. And Mama's gonna keep baby cozy and warm. I don't need no drugs to kill me. I have seen the writing on the wall. Don't think I need anything at all. No, don't think I need anything at all. Woo! All I know it was all just bricks in the wall. I believe in you today. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, all you people. There's nothing you can say to make me change my mind. Goodbye.
Hey you, out there in the cold, getting lonely, getting old, can you feel me? Hey you, standing in the aisle with itchy feet and fading smile, can you feel me? Hey you, don't help them to bury the lie. Don't give in without a fight. Hey you, out there on your own, sitting naked by the phone, would you touch me? Hey you, with your ear against the wall, waiting for someone to call out, would you touch me? Hey you, would you help me to
out there? Is there anybody out there? A little louder, please. Obligatory Hendrix curve in the inevitable pinhole bends all down the front of my favorite satin shirt. I've got nicotine stains on my fingers, got a silver spoon on a chain, got a grand piano to prop up my mortal remain. I got wild staring eyes, and I've got a strong urge to fly. I've got nowhere to fly to, fly to, fly to, fly to, fly to, fly to, fly to. Nobody home. I've got a pair of gold heel boots, got those faded roots. Is there anybody out there? Is there anybody in there? Just nod out if you can hear me. Is anyone home? Come on now, I hear you feeling down, but I could ease your pain, get you on your feet again. Relax, relax, a deep intonation first. Just the basic facts. Can you show me where it hurts? There is no pain, you are receding. A distant ship, smoke on the horizon. You're only coming through in waves. Your lips move, but I can't hear what you say. When I was a child, I had a fever. My hands felt just like two balloons. Now I've got that feeling once again. I can't explain, you would not understand. This is not how I am. I've become comfortably numb. I've become comfortably numb.
Okay. It's just a little pinprick. There'll be no more. You may feel a little sick. Can you stand up, stand up, stand up? I do believe it's working good. That'll keep you going through the show. Come on, it's time to go.
There is no pain, you are receding. A distant ship, smoke on the horizon. You're only coming through in waves. Your lips move, but I can't hear what you say.